Amy enjoyed her birthday cake. Her is pronoun. We visited our grandparents on Saturday. We and our both are pronoun. Mom enjoyed playing card with us. Us is pronoun. Which is your house? Which and your both are pronoun. This is my car. My is pronoun. You should eat your vegetables for dinner. You and your both are pronoun. She made herself a cup of tea. She and herself both are pronoun. Those apples are very sweet. Those is pronoun. Jack helped us to carry the heavy boxes. Us is pronoun. They went to the beach to swim in the ocean. They is pronoun.
आपको ये वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगे तो चैनल लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले ताकि हम ऐसी वीडियो और ला सके।